Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can set up the conversion tracking for our Quora ads account. So once we log into the platform, then we can just beside manage ads, there is pixels and events, which we can go to. And this is where we can set up the pixel. So this idea is that there is a specific code which Quora will give you, which we need to put at the back end of our website. Okay, so that code will basically track our conversions. So let's have a look at this. So now you can see gives you two options. One is install manually, other one is installing with a partner. So we'll look at both of them. The first is manually, where you get the code here. So this is the code which needs to be pasted between head and slash head tags of the website. So you can copy from here and then you can do that. So this is one option where we can copy this, go next, and now we can set the track the event. So we can choose the event which we want to track. So we want to track a purchase, we can choose that as well. Okay. And then we can choose these particular codes which needs to be pasted at the backend. Okay. So that can be done. That is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is installing with a partner. So partner basically means that any other platform which can a tag platform, tag management platform, which it can help us setting up the code. So here Quora has a tie-up with Google Tag Manager, as you can see. So if you have a Tag Manager account, okay, so then we can implement it with that as well. So here we can choose the particular Google Tag Manager steps. So these are the steps which we have to follow. So we can go into the Tag Manager specifically in tags. As you can see, this is a Tag Manager. Okay, so we can come to the specific container and follow the steps. We can follow the steps, we can go to tags, and then we can follow these steps to set up the code through our Google Tag Manager. And once you do that, we can put the pixel ID which we have gone here. We can take this pixel ID and put it on our website. So this is my website's backend where we can come to settings, integrations, and in analytics, we can come here and activate the Google Tag Manager and put our GTM code, Google Tag Manager code over here. So this is how we can set up our conversion tracking for our Quora ads platform. I hope this makes sense. You understand now the complete process. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.